Okay, Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. So in this video, I will show you how we can draw figure 1 in your assignment 3. So first thing that you have to do is you have to set the unit for the drawing. Let's say in this assignment, it's already mentioned that the unit is in millimeter. So you have to set the unit in the drawing in millimeter. So just click type unit, choose unit here, and the drawing unit pop-up will appear. So you need to choose millimeter in the insertion scale. So this one is already millimeter, but if you want to draw in inches, feet, in other units, you can pick here. So for our drawing, we will use millimeter. So click millimeter. So okay, click OK. And next you have to set the layer for the drawing. For example, in this figure, you can see that there are visible line. This is visible line. You will also have center line, the red one, and then the blue one is the dimension line. So you have basically you have three different layer or three different lines. So you need to set up the line. So how to set up? Go to layers. Okay. Go to layer properties. Okay, if you go this one, there's only one layer, so we will make another layer. So click layer properties. So it will pop up all the layers. In here we just have 0 layer and depth point layer, so we will create new one. So click here, new layer. Our first layer is visible line. So the line type, the color depends on you. So basically because our background is dark, so we will use white as our color for visible. And for line type, we will use continuous solid line. Alright. And for line weight, for visible line, we will set the thickness of the line 0.5. 0.5 and then click OK. So now it changed to the 0.5, and then we will create another layer. We will create center, and then the line type for center is not continuous. Okay, so we need to load the new line. So go to center. There are several options here, so we can try to use this one, center. Okay, and then pick the center and then click OK. So it changed here, and then the line weight for the center line is 0.2. So 0.2, click OK. And then let's make a dimension line. So create new layer, dimension. So the line type for dimension is continuous. Okay, sorry, cancel. So for dimension, the line is straight, so we use solid line. Okay, and then the thickness of the dimension is 0.2. Okay, so then maybe you can change the color. So we want to change the color of dimension to blue. So go to here, and then you can pick any color, maybe this one. Alright, you can choose any color that you like. Okay, it doesn't matter, it should be blue or red. You can use green or whatever color that you prefer. So for center, we change the color into red. Let's say this one. Click OK. Okay. So I will close this one. So now let's start our drawing. First, go to layer because I want to start drawing this visible line. So I will choose the visible. Click visible, and now we are going to use visible line. Okay, so next let's draw line. This one 140. Okay, go to line. So this one I just pick any point. I don't want to start 0 0, so I will pick any point here. And then I will bring this mouse, this cursor straight, and enter value 180. Okay, and then I want to go up. I want to draw the rectangle box first. Okay, so 100. So I will go up and enter 100, and then go left 140, enter, and go down, or you can click close. Okay, now we have the box, overall box, and then I want to create this one. So you can see that the distance from this to here is 35, so I will use offset. So this is offset button, click offset, and then what they ask, specify offset distance. So the distance is 35, so I will enter 35, press enter, and then it asks you to select the object to offset. So I will select this line, and then so when you choose offset, you can either offset into direction. So I want to offset at the bottom, so I will bring up my mouse to the bottom and then click, just click. Okay, now it already offset the line for 35. And then I want to offset again. I want to make this one, so 5. So we click offset again, or we can choose enter. Specify offset distance. This time enter 5, and then select object to offset. Click this line, and then click up, and not at the bottom but up, and then click using your left mouse. Okay, so now we have this line. So now I want to make this line, two short line here. So I will press escape. Now I want to draw a line. I want to use midpoint. Okay, midpoint from here to here, enter. I will make it bigger to be, and then I will offset, because we know the distance from here to here is 10, so we are in the middle now, so I will offset 5 to the right and 5 to the left. So use offset, select the distance first, so the distance is 5, and select object to offset. I want to offset this line to the right, and again select object to the left. Okay, escape button, and then I want to delete the middle point, this one. I want to delete this point, this line, because we are not going to use it anymore, but not this one. Okay, oh sorry, again, erase this point, this line, and this line, and then press enter. Now I want to remove this line and this line, but not in the middle, so I will use trim. You can click remove this line, and then this one. Okay, now we have this small um, half box here. So now we want to make the line here. So here we do not know the distance, but we know the angle. So I will pick line, and I will start from here, and then I will just bring anywhere. I will not bring anywhere, but I will enter the value of the angle. So press the value, the symbol for angle. Symbol for angle here is less than. You can find this at your keyboard next to the letter M. Okay, shift, comma, dia kat comma. Okay, shift, comma, and then they will appear this symbol. So enter the value 45, enter, and then now you can see that the line is straight 45 degree. It's not straight, not go anywhere. So you can just make a line. I will make it longer than the center here, then the line here, and then click anywhere. Okay, and then press enter. So now you have this line, which is exactly 45 degree like this, and then you can trim this the yang lebih ni, the excess line. So go to trim, and then just click here. It will automatically delete the excess line. So next I don't want to repeat the same method, but I want to use mirror because it's a mirror here. So escape and then click mirror, then select line, this line, and then press enter, and then specify first point. This is my first point, and this is my second point. Erase source object? No. And then you have this line. So what we can do with this, we cannot delete, because if we delete, it will delete the whole line. So we can use trim. Trim. So we can delete this part only. So click. Okay, now it's done for this area. So we can repeat the same method to make this area. So I will show again. We can use offset. Offset. So distance from this to from here to here is 18. So enter the value 18. Enter. And select the line, this line, and go here. 18, and then we can offset 3. Enter. 3. Select object. Alright, so to this area, click, and then we want to draw the middle line. So go to line, or if you don't want to pick line, you can type L. So, but you have to escape first, okay? And then type L, line. So you can choose line in the middle. We can make it bigger a little bit. Zoom. Okay, so line here, enter. Then you can offset because the distance is 5, so 2.5 to the bottom, 2.5 to the up. Okay, offset 2.5, enter, click select object 2.5, and then select object to the bottom. Okay, now we can delete this one. I'm repeating the same method that I used before. Okay, enter. Then we can trim this one and this one. Okay, enter. And then we can use the 45 degree, 45. So enter the value of angle 45. Oh, sorry. Line. Specify first point first, and then enter the value of angle 45. Okay, and then go anywhere. Enter, and you can trim. Enter, and mirror. Enter. Select the mirror point. No. And then you can trim. Enter. Okay, so this is basically how to draw the object. So I will show you how to draw the dimension in the next video. Okay, take care, bye bye.